Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model from scratch in SolidWorks. So if any one of you is preparing for CSWA exam, this video is perfect for you. Now let's move forward with section C problem 3. So let's see what all things they have told us to define. First is the unit system should be in MMGS. So there are two ways from where you can change your unit system. First way is go to the bottom right corner, and from here also you can change your unit system, but you can see we are already in MMGS unit system by default. The second way is go to tools, options, document properties, units, and you can see that you can change your unit system from here as well. Decimal places should be up to 2, so we have them by default. I'll click on OK. Now, part origin should be arbitrary, meaning I can start my sketch from any point. There is no location or position mentioned for the origin. Now, I'll define the material. So, I'll go here, I'll right click and go to edit material. Here, material is cast carbon steel. So, under steel category, we can find cast carbon steel. So, we just have to click on this and cross check whether the mass density or the material density given in this chart and the one given in the PDF are matching. So it should be 7800 kg per meter cube. So yes, we have chosen the correct material. So now apply and close. So the material that you just defined will show up here in the feature manager tree. Now we need to define global variables. So I'll go to tools, equations, and here A should be 108, B should be 24, and C should be 2.5. Okay. Now you can see that the equations or the global variables that you defined will show up here. So now let's choose front plane and start sketching. So I'll choose a circle and I'll give dimensions to this circle as A minus 12. Now why A minus 12? This is because the whole diameter mentioned here includes the teeth as well. So excluding that, so if you see the height of the tooth is 6. So if I exclude 6 from here and here, in total I need to exclude 12. So I'm only considering the diameter of this circle or this circle, inner circle, on which the teeth is lying. So now let's extrude this by, I'm choosing mid-plane condition and I'm extruding it by 18 mm. Then again choose this face and draw a circle. Give dimensions, should be 6.5. Go to extruded cut and cut this by 1 mm. Now I'm choosing front plane and mirror option, and inside features to mirror I'm choosing this cut extrude so that this feature is mirrored on the other side as well. Again choose this face and this should be 28 mm and extruded by 1 mm. Now again choose front plane and mirror this feature on the other side. So I'm good to go. Now choose this face and again draw a circle with diameter 16 and cut this keeping through all condition. So I get a hole here. I'm going to draw this slot on the space. So simply I'm going to convert this entity and draw a center line, a vertical center line. And now trim the unwanted circumference and this should be 3 and give the relationship between these three lines as symmetric. Also, the distance from here to this center should be 10. Now that my sketch is fully defined, I'll go to features, extruded cut, and I'll cut this keeping through all condition and I'm done. Now, I'll go to the front plane and start sketching. Now, I'll draw a center line, a vertical center line starting from the origin. Keep this vertical. Okay. Now, I'm going to convert this entity or this edge. Now, let's start drawing. Firstly, give relationship between these three lines as symmetric. So, this is 4, angle is 40 and now convert this line to construction. Okay. Now go to trim entities and trim the unwanted edges. Now go to circular sketch pattern, entities to pattern, select this and here you can see b is equal to number of teeth, but here I can't provide any global variable. So I'm just giving the value of b as 24 manually and that's it. And now I'll go to features, extruded boss base and I will extrude this keeping the blind condition in direction 1. Okay, choose offset from surface, not the blind condition, and choose this face and offset from this surface by 2 mm. Similarly, choose direction 2, offset from surface, choose the opposite face and offset from surface by distance of 2 mm. And you're done. Now you want to create these slots. So go here or maybe you can go to the front plane and start sketching. Now here I'm going to draw a few lines I'll give angle between both these lines as 45. Now I will convert these two circles, trim the unwanted edges, that's it. Now by using offset entity, I'm going to offset this by 2.5, but in the reverse direction. Now using trim entities, I'm going to trim all of this. Now using fillet option and keeping the fillet diameter or radius as 2 mm, I'm going to apply fillet to all the four endpoints. Okay, I'm going to give dimensions between these two as C. So you can see the thickness is C from here and here as well. But while offsetting, I could not give the global or I could not provide the global dimension. So I'm doing this here. So that when you change the values of A, B, and C, this will also get changed. So this will change automatically. Okay, now go to circular sketch pattern, entities to pattern this, and choose 8. Using smart dimensions, this should be C into 2. Now I'm going to go to features, extrude cut through all both. And you can see that our part is completed. You can choose an isometric view. Now I'll go to evaluate mass properties. So this is 637.15 and here we have 636.48 grams. So our value is closer to the one given in the PDF. So our problem is solved. Now you need to solve part B and part C of this problem. Comment your answers in the comment section below and let me know whether your answers are matching or not. For more such videos, keep following. Thank you so much.